Hi, my name is Nick with Don Johnston, and today we're going to be taking a look at CoWriter Universal's new horizontal view. To begin, we're going to make sure we're open in a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word document, and we're going to turn on our CoWriter tool by clicking once on the CoWriter icon and turning it on with the on-off switch. As I click back into my document, you'll notice that CoWriter and its word prediction window pop up on my screen. This is the traditional default view that most of you are well accustomed to. To take a look at the new horizontal view, all we're going to do is click, hold, and drag this word prediction window down to the bottom of the screen and release. Upon release, you'll see this new fantastic horizontal view available. It includes all the same tools that you know and love, including your language supports, numeric keyboard, custom topics dictionary, and speech-to-text tools. At any point, if you want to go back to the original view, all you're going to do is click, hold, and drag the tool away from the bottom, and it'll pop right back up to the way you're used to. So I hope you all can find the view that works best for you. Keep an eye out on our Learning Academy and product resource page for new and exciting updates. Thank you.